All right, guys, this is a little bit different review for this time. I'm actually going to Suffer City to work out. No, I'm not. I'm going to eat tacos. Like I said, I'm going to eat tacos. I'm not going to Suffer City to work out. But Shauna, I know that you work out there. It's done amazing things for you, I'm sure. But that's not what this channel is. This channel is about going and eating tacos. And this one place is called Tosinos. It's on Gilbert and Warner in Gilbert, Arizona. And I've never been here. Let's go try it out. Can I have one carne asada taco, please? Sure.
Anything else?
That's it.
Where do you go?
For here. Tocino. I don't know what tocino means in Spanish, but it might mean a little bit of a big boy. That's a big boy taco right there. $3.25 with the 50-cent beef's expensive surcharge on the door. Rob will show it to him. Okay, so $3.75 plus tax for something. I feel like this may be like 3 street tacos. Look, this is a monster. She said the red sauce, pico de gallo, guacamole, red sauce. This is gonna be a huncher. This is the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Tortillas, it's barely hanging on by a thread. You got 6 ounces of beef in here. Why? That's how you speak my language. It's too big. It's excessively big. A little messy, a little big. Only thing that keeps it out of the 8s is that. Salsa's good, pico's fresh. Guacamole, nice cream on the backside. 7-8. 7-8. Tosino, Warner and Gilbert for $4. I mean, that's 3 tacos for $4. Tosinos, that's a review.